Good afternoon to each and every one of us here on this platform. This is Myra Dison from Everneb Elementary School presenting the Basic Education Learning Continuity Operational Plan for School Year 2021-2022. Education is our top priority. Despite the present condition, Everneb Elementary School is guided with the pronouncement of our Secretary Leonor Embriones, education must continue. And we are also guided by our BELCOP to ensure the educational continuity and to implement effectively and efficiently its mandate and the delivery of learning under the new normal of basic education. Verneve Elementary School is currently implementing 25 programs, projects, and activities. The budget comes from different resources, SEF, MOOE, initiative, and most especially donations from our stakeholders. Some of the PAPs do not need budget to implement. To continue, let us watch the presentation of our PAPs and its accomplishments. Enjoy watching! Let us now proceed to the question and answer of this activity. The first question: how was your preparation for school year 2021-2022 compared to last school year? I would say that my preparation for school year 2021-2022 was superior to the previous school year because this school year provided me more opportunity to assist, assess, and guide teachers despite the pandemic through the implementation of programs and projects that benefit not only the pupils but also the entire school. And for me, as a new head or neophyte head, Everneb Elementary School staffs have been quite helpful in supporting me in transitioning and adjusting to the new education structure as well as all of the activities that are part of public school. For the second question, what are the challenges you face in the preparation of programs, projects, and activities assigned to you? As I've observed since I have had to implement the programs, projects, activities that were formulated last year, the obstacle that we confronted are the implementation phase, active participation and involvement of some learners' parents, and limited movements due to the COVID-19 pandemic to conduct the programs, which is critical for the learners and teachers' improvement and development. We are now on the last question. What are the three problems you want to focus on this school year 2021-2022? As the school year progresses from its beginning, more and more challenges are encountered in the day-to-day delivery of basic education. However, the three most important concerns I want to focus on this school year are those fundamental for every learner, which are the three R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic, wherein every learner should read, comprehend, write, and work with numbers appropriate to his or her grade level. Second, stakeholder cooperation in order to maintain the helping hands in the face of the pandemic. And the third is material resources. That's all for my presentation. Thank you